Hey guys, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check the age of your iPhone on the latest iPhone 15 series or any iPhone with iOS 17. This is a neat new feature that's available most like on the iPhone 15 series and going forward. Apple has built into it right into your iPhone. So in order to check the age, we go into our setting of our iPhone and then go to General and then click on About and then go all the way down here where you see the information about the battery. Now you might be wondering why you're looking at the battery information. The battery information gives us a lot of information right about the iPhone, and the important thing here is battery first use. So when the battery first is used, it also gives you an indicator when the iPhone was first activated, so you can do the math from the time it was used to the current day, like today, and do the math here. For example, we're in April 2024 and this phone was first used with the battery in September. So if you do the math here, about 7 months since the phone has been used, or the age is 7 months or so. So go ahead, take a look at it. Now this is going to be available on iPhone 15 series. Some of the older models are starting to get this information. So if you don't see it on an older model, it's because it's been recently rolled out to the newer iPhones, and that's how you can determine the age of your iPhone. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.